Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the shop. So today I'm working on this spindle or collet, whatever you want to call it, for the snap-on valve grinder slash KO Lee. And what I've done was some more hand work because I had dinged up or rolled the edges over on the bushings driving them out, even though I used the biggest washer I could find to go down in there. They were in this housing tight enough, and that soft bronze that it marred them up a little bit. So I used that to my advantage. I didn't want to cut that back out, and I took this roller burnisher. If you're not familiar with these, they have a very shallow taper piece in the center here, and as it goes through, it advances these rollers out, and then when you feed the rollers through, it actually smashes the metal to the finished size. And these things are pretty tight tolerance. You can adjust them in 1/10 increments. So a little fooling around with this, some hand work, running it through here. I got this where I'm satisfied with the fit of it. So I started putting it back together. Got the spindle in there. My screws and springs are in here. Remember to put the felt in that dips the oil out of the oil reservoir. I need to put the thrust washer back in here. And give it a little oil. Turn this to the top. Knock the pin back in. Nice. 3 little springs go in here. And the plate goes on the back. It's got a gasket on it, so. Fill this thing up with some gear oil. Yep, I guess it's time to mount this up and see what I get. Try to get where I don't block the shop for y'all and you can still see. So I'm happy with where this is right now. It's looking excellent. So this is a 10th indicator. So. Right around a half thou right there. Pretty much the same. That's real good right there. That's 2 or 3/10 at most. I don't know how good this valve is, so. Again, 2 or 3 tenths, so I'm repeatedly getting less than 1,000, which is what I was shooting for. Somebody said something about out here at the valve face. I don't see if I can check it out there. I know that's what's important, but I don't know how good this valve is. Nice cooking. It's good. 3 tenths. Pretty repeatable half thou. I think this thing's ready to go in service. It's not really, I don't have a seal back in here. Oh, there's how it starts out. Focus. Looks pretty good. It's a factory grind. Well, it's got all the pits out of it. Oh. Now I got a set of valves on and put this head together. Well, I hope you enjoyed getting to see me get this valve grinder back into the shape it ought to be. It's doing good work now, so that tickles me. I need to get some stones to go with this thing to get it to where I can use it all the time. This stone that's on here is probably pretty worn down, I think. So I'm way over on the table to be able to grind these valves. But that shouldn't be a problem. I've been given a couple of sources that have them, so all I gotta do is get them ordered up. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, I'll catch y'all later.